So how frequently should you upload videos on YouTube to maximize your potential view growth and your potential earnings on your channel? How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel where we talk about YouTube, obviously. And today we're going to talk about YouTube schedules and YouTube upload frequency. Now, today, a lot of people think go, go, go. We need videos every single day. That's how we get potential viewers on our channel every single day. That seems like it would be the best way to approach growing a channel rapidly. But I'm here to tell you that that's really not the case. Uploading every single day, like many people say you should, is not necessarily the best way that you want to go about doing it. When you're starting off on YouTube, it really doesn't matter how frequently you upload because one, you don't have an audience. You don't have people that are waiting for you to upload. You don't have that pressure. So take your time to make videos that are quality, okay? Make that your priority. I know that's very obvious, like, oh, quality, not quantity, but on YouTube, it's very easy to just get in that headspace of I need to make a video as quickly as possible so I can get views as quickly as possible. Make a good video and people will notice that. They'll see how much value is in that one video versus having 10 videos that are stretched out thin. You're tired instead of focusing all your energy into one project, making that project good, and then making people want more of that same project. Obviously, there are certain benefits to uploading more frequently on YouTube because you're going to get more chances to have people exposed to your channel. But if you're not able to maintain that high quality production, no one is going to care. And think about this, 1 year from now, are people really going to care if your videos are 1 week apart or 2 minutes apart? No one's going to care. They're just going to see your videos for what they are and what quality they have, what value they have. Making your own schedule that you can follow can help with you being more organized and having a structured form of content. I also want to point out that some of the top channels on YouTube only upload like maybe once a month, and it's not a fluke. There's no coincidence that the biggest channels on YouTube release videos monthly because it takes so much time to create a video with that much value that can bring in millions and millions of views that they need to upload monthly. It's not a choice. It's literally, that's how much time it takes to create that big project that seems so effortless when you watch it on YouTube. So yeah, guys, having an upload frequency that's a little bit further apart can help reduce burnout. It can also help your viewers not get so tired of your content. You want to keep them wanting more. If you uploaded every single day, they might get tired of you or they might not be able to keep up with your uploads. So just keep that in mind. Keep the viewer in mind when you start getting an audience. Think about if you were a viewer, how much of this content would you want to be consuming daily? I don't want to keep repeating myself over and over because that's pretty much the general message of this video. Focus on quality, not quantity. If you can do more frequently, that's great. But again, don't spread yourself thin. Focus on making one good video at a time and you will see the growth happen organically. That's enough out of me. I hope you guys have an amazing day. And remember, anyone can YouTube.